Capitect app pricing explained what you get for your money. Capitect is a portfolio management platform aimed at financial advisors and individual investors who want a clear overview of their investments. Many people assume professional portfolio software is costly, but Capitect keeps pricing transparent and flexible. The app is free to explore, with demo features allowing you to see dashboards and reporting tools. Paid plans start at per month for individual investors, providing full access to portfolio tracking, performance analytics, and tax reporting. For financial advisors managing multiple clients, the platform offers scalable pricing based on assets under management, starting around per month. Most people get this wrong by thinking portfolio software is only useful for professionals. The surprising truth is Capitect's intuitive interface makes it easy for anyone to visualize asset allocation, track returns, and set investment goals. For example, you can see how your investments are performing against your target allocation and adjust automatically. Capitect also supports integration with multiple brokerage accounts, allowing real-time tracking without manual data entry. Alerts reporting and performance dashboards give investors a clear view of where their money is working hardest. In conclusion, Capitect offers robust portfolio management at competitive pricing. Whether you're an individual investor or a professional advisor, its combination of clarity, automation, and insight makes it a valuable tool to manage and grow your investments efficiently.